very warm welcome to all of you here and the ones watching. Welcome to Now and Then. I was asked the weirdest question ever today. My grandma goes, do emails get delivered on a Sunday? That's the thing about generations. They don't meet in terms of a lot of things, be it technology, trends, and whatnot. So today, we are gonna take you on a ride through the generation gap. With some fun Q&As, let's see how much the kids and adults are sunk in. That's what Now and Then is all about. How much the kids of now know about the times of then and vice versa. The kids and adults compete in a race of intelligence. Let me ask you a question. Does age really matter in terms of intelligence? I guess there's only one way to find out. So let's welcome our contestants for today. People on the right, introduce us yourself.
Hey, I'm Ganesh. I'm doing my 12th.
Hi, I'm Sharon. I'm doing my 11th.
People on the left, tell us about yourself.
Hi, I'm Mushtaq. I'm working in Bangalore in recruitments.
Hi, I'm Janice. I'm a homemaker.
Okay, so is everyone ready to play?
Yes. Yeah.
So let's begin this side by our first round today, which is called It's All Topical. So let me tell you how this round goes. Each team will have to pick one topic for the other team from the given topics. Each question will have 4 options. Okay? Questions cannot be passed to the other team, and each team will have only 30 seconds to answer one question. Each answer will have 10 points. We will have a toss to decide who goes first. Right? Okay.
Yeah.
Who's calling?
I'll go.
Yes. Okay, so you get to decide the topics. The topics are sports, politics, movies. So the team has to do sports as a topic. Alright then, so are you ready? Yes. Let's begin. Okay, so let's begin. Are you ready?
Yes.
Here's your first question. The Dronacharya Award is given to which of the following? Sportsmen, coaches, umpires, or sports editors?
Sportsman.
That answer is wrong. Okay, next question. Where did Mahendra Singh Dhoni make his ODI debut? Chittagong, Dhaka, Hyderabad, or Visakhapatnam? That answer is wrong again. The third question. Hockey is the national sport of which country other than India? Nepal, Pakistan, China, or Bhutan? That is right. Next question. In which country would you find the largest stadium in terms of capacity? I repeat, in which country would you find the largest stadium in terms of capacity? Your options are North Korea, Spain, Mexico, or China.
Repeat options.
North Korea, Spain, Mexico, China.
It's not good.
That is the right answer. Your next question. The number of players required in one team of football. Your options are 9, 6, 10, or 12.
It's 9.
9 is the right answer.
Yes.
The next question. How many pieces does a chessboard have in total? I repeat, how many pieces does a chessboard have in total? Your options are 16, 32, 40, or 24.
40.
40 is the wrong answer. The right answer is 32. The next question is, ping pong is an alternative name for which sport? The options are table tennis. Table tennis is the right answer. Next question. How many people do you need to play a game of volleyball? Your options are 6, 8, 5, or 12.
Well,
12 is the right answer. Next question is, which three sports form a triathlon? The options are swimming, cycling, and running, long jump, and javelin throw, shot put, running, and discus, or relay, swimming, and cycling. You want me to repeat the order?
yeah.
Which three sports form a triathlon? Swimming, cycling, and running, long jump, and javelin throw, shot put, running, and discus, or relay, swimming, and cycling.
Those two.
Swimming, cycling, and it is the right answer. Because the last question of this topic, crawl, backstroke, and butterfly are different methods in which sport? The options are cricket, badminton, swimming, or tennis. Swimming is the right answer. So that's all for on the topic of sports. Now you guys have to choose for these guys, and the topics for you to choose are politics and physics.
Politics.
So the topic given to you guys is politics. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
The first question is, the minimum age required to become the Prime Minister of India is 25 years, 30 years, 40 years, or 35 years?
25.
25 years. 25 years is the right answer. The members of the state legislative assemblies are elected for a period of 2 years, 6 years, 5 years, or 3 years. 6 years is the wrong answer. Okay, the next question is, the national anthem was written by, the options are Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, Rabindranath Tagore, Sarat Chandra Chatterjee, or Aurobindo Ghosh.
Rabindranath Tagore.
That is the right answer. Next question is, how many wards are there in Bangalore? I repeat, how many wards are there in Bangalore? Your options are 174, 198, 182, or 2. 182 is the wrong answer. Who is the president of America? You need options. The options are Hillary Clinton, Barack Obama, Donald Trump, or none of the above. Donald Trump is the right answer. Your next question is, what does LOC stand for in military terms? The options are line of care, line of credit, line of control, or line of contact.
Line of
Line of control is the right answer. The next question is, one of the right-wing parties in Indian politics is the Shiv Sena. Who is the founder of Shiv Sena? Your options are Smita Thakre, Raj Thakre, Bal Thakre, or Raj Thakre is wrong. The next question is, the Telugu Desam Party, that is TDP, is an important regional party in the freedom movement. Who is the founder of this party? Options are Chandrababu Naidu, N.T. Ramarao, Y.S. Rajshekar Reddy, or P.V. Narasimha Rao.
Y.S.
Y.S. Rajshekar Reddy. That is the wrong answer. The next question is, who was the president when the Twin Towers collapsed?
Okay.
Your options are Bill Clinton, George Bush, Benjamin Franklin, or Barack Obama.
George Bush.
George Bush is the right answer. The last question from this topic is, where is the UNO United Nations situated? Your options are St. Petersburg, Washington DC, Tokyo, New York is the right answer. Very well done, guys. That was a round of applause for yourself, please. Well done, everyone. That was a fantastic round. Let me tell you the scores. Both teams are on 60 each, so it's a tie. Okay. So yeah, let me ask you a question. Do you think the kids of today are smarter than the adults?
Yeah, I think they are.
And why is that?
Yeah, I think today you have social media is there that kind of you have mobile phones, students have access to all the news or what's happening. Then is there this big boom. Unlike nowadays when you just start That's a big advantage.
So that's why you think kids are smarter. What do you think? You
Uh,
guys are smarter than the adults?
So according to me, I think I'm very neutral here. So I don't think so. Kids are actually smarter than the parents or the kids.
Why is that?
So because there was all the practical stuffs when the other generation, right? They were all doing it very practical. But here we are getting easy access to the technology.
Yes.
So here we are not actually learning.
Okay.
But whereas the old generation, right, they used to actually practically know and they had the knowledge of what they were doing. So I would feel, it depends, it depends.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's really very nice thing that you said. So now that we've known the views of our contestants on, who's smarter, let's find out how much they know about each other's generation through our next round, which is known as Bridging the Gap. Now in this round, each team will be asked questions from the opposing team's generation, and the questions in these round can be passed. There is no time limit
No.
as such. So if you have any doubts,
No.
shall we begin? You
Yes.
guys ready? So since we started with them for the first round, we'll start with you guys.
All right.
Okay. So here goes. Your first question is: who was the lead actor in the Bollywood movie Rangila?
Okay, Amir Khan.
Amir Khan is the right answer.
Okay.
What is the value of 1 million?
10 lakhs.
10 lakhs is the right answer. Who is Ranbir Kapoor's grandfather?
Raj Kapoor.
Raj Kapoor is the right answer. When did BJP first come to power?
New options.
No.
I think 90s, 1990s somewhere.
You have to give me a specific answer, please.
1992.
92 is the wrong answer. So, do you guys know the answer? 2003 is also the wrong. The right answer is 1996. The next question: in which year did the emergency take place in India? In which year did the national emergency take place?
In India.
No, you never pass.
Yeah.
1986 is the wrong answer. 1975, there is also a movie made on this.
Okay.
So your next question is: in which year did demonetization happen in India?
2015.
2015 is the wrong answer. Do you guys know the answer? 2017 is also the wrong answer. It's 2016.
Oh, shit.
Your next question is: who captained India in the 1983 World Cup?
Kapil Dev.
Kapil Dev is the right answer. The next question is: when did the show Friends come to an end?
1994.
That answer was given in a lot of enthusiasm, but it is wrong. You guys have the answer? When did the show Friends come to an end? Specific, please.
1000.
2000 is the wrong answer. The exact answer is 2004. Exactly 10 years later.
I thought Star Trek.
Your next question is: when was MS Dhoni named as captain?
2007.
2007 is the right answer. The next question is: which famous movie of Amitabh Bachchan was remade by Hrithik Roshan?
Agnipath.
Agnipath is the right answer. So that was all the questions I had for you guys. Now I'll come to you guys. Okay. The first question is: what is the full form of YOLO? YOLO. No idea? Shall we pass? Oh my god, this is something. This is amazing.
Bio.
Hello.
That bicycle.
No?
No.
Okay. Alright. So the answer is you only live once.
Okay.
Your second question is Machayenge is a song of which Indian rapper?
Pass.
It's okay, you can take a guess.
Remember the name?
Okay, I'll come to that once. Alright.
It's an album actually, but then I forgot that guy's name. I know the lyrics, but I forgot the guy's
You
name.
can sing if you want to.
No. Yeah, I forgot this guy's
Okay.
name. It's actually a album just recently released.
Okay, so you guys want to answer?
No.
Okay. Alright, so to clarify, it is not from any movie, it's a single from the artist M.A. Bantai.
Oh yes.
Alright, the next question is what does FOMO stand for? FOMO. Fear of missing out is the right answer. Alright, the next question is the first book from the fantasy novel series, A Song of Ice and Fire, formed the basis for which popular drama series of 2010? I repeat, the first book from the fantasy novel, A Song of Ice and Fire, formed the basis for which popular drama series?
No idea.
Okay, so should we pass?
Game of Thrones.
Game of Thrones is the right answer. Your next question is who lives in a pineapple under the sea? Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
Is it that SpongeBob?
SpongeBob
SquarePants.
SquarePants is the right answer.
Okay.
Alright, your next question is to whom does the YouTube channel BBK Wines belong? Have you heard of the name?
Yeah.
I'm gonna need to have a name.
It's Bhuvan Bam.
Bhuvan Bam is the right answer. Alright, so next question is Ganesh Gaitonde is a character from which famous Netflix series? Sacred Games is the right answer. We're so happy if I give that. Alright. What is the Hulk's real name? Bruce Banner is the right answer. The next question is who played Iron Man in the MCU? Robert Downey Jr. is the right answer. And your last question for this round is that what does OOTD stand for? OOTD. Some millennial slang. No, that's OOTD. OOTD. No? Alright, so the answer is outfit of the day.
Okay.
People
don't use
today
short
use
forms
this.
while
Yeah,
texting,
it's
so I don't
outfit
know.
of the day. So that's all from this round. Give a round of applause for yourself. Very well done, everybody. Let me take you to a ride throughout the years now. Right? So people in 1973 had long hair, but people in 2003 to see people are longing for it. People in 1973 had rolling stone. You know rolling stone, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but in 2003, same people have stone. In 1973, the only test that people need to pass was passing the drivers. But in 2003, the same people are passing the vision test. That's how the times have changed. I'll tell you about generation gap just in a nutshell. You guys familiar with Bollywood movies?
Yes.
Amir Khan, you
Yes.
know that. You know who's the nephew of Amir Khan?
Yeah.
Imran Khan.
Imran
Yeah,
Khan.
you know his famous songs. You know Amir Khan's famous song.
Yeah.
So Amir Khan in the 80s used to sing "Papa कहते हैं बड़ा नाम है," and his nephew in 2010s started singing "Daddy मुझसे बोला तू गलत." So this shows how times have changed, how people have changed. So I gotta admit though, the 70s and 80s were golden years indeed. There were no much of wars, climate change was not right at all, and music so good that they are being remade now also. Yeah, that leaves an inspiration for the young generation to leave such marks for the future. Alright, so now that thought, ladies and gentlemen, is the final round of today, which is called Buzz Your Way. The next round is Buzz Your Way. Both teams will be asked a set of questions, and the teams which buzzes first will get to answer first. The questions cannot be passed. And you have to answer within 5 seconds of buzzing. Any doubts? No? Alright, so will the adults grab the chicken dinner now, or will the youngsters hit all the 7 tones? Let's see. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Here goes. Which is the biggest waterfall in the world? Is the wrong answer. Next question. FTII is located in
There's a FIFA
Film and Television Institute of India.
Mumbai.
Wrong answer. Next question. In which year was M.K. Gandhi born?
18.
Your 5 seconds are done.
1890.
Time is up. Who is the Chief Minister of Delhi?
Kejriwal. Arvind Kejriwal.
Correct answer. Which Indian cricket player scored the first century in T20? Not in IPL, in T20.
Suresh Raina.
Is the correct answer. Name one of the founders of Tesla Incorporated. Elon Musk is the right answer. Next question is, what was Amir Khan's last film?
Thugs of Hindustan.
Is the right answer. Who won the FIFA World Cup in 2014?
Brazil.
Wrong answer. How many moons does Mercury have?
22.
Wrong answer.
Oh.
Who is the president of Egypt?
No, not much.
Your time is done. How many states are there in India? They went first, so technically this stands null. What is Amitabh Bachchan famously known as? Big B is the wrong answer. Question is that. In which year did Iron Man release? Is the right answer. Name the actor who played the lead in the newly released movie Joker. Time is up. The question is over now. What is the full form of ENT? Is the right answer. I guess that's the doctor speaking. Which place is called the Big Apple? Which place is called the Big Apple? You guys need hints?
Yes.
Yeah? It's a city. It's a big city.
In India.
Alright. Not it. Is the wrong answer. It's New York. Next question is, which month has 28 days?
Feb.
Wrong. Every month has 28. The next question is, which is world's largest ocean?
Pacific Ocean.
Is the right answer. Next question is, which is the parent company of Google?
Microsoft.
Is the wrong answer. The correct answer is Apple. So the last question of this round and our show today is, which company owns WhatsApp? Is the right answer. So, a round of applause to both of the teams who have played today. Very well done, teams. Thank you for playing so wonderfully. So finally, the time has come to announce the winner, which will tell us who is better in the times of now and then. So I'll tell you the scores first of the winning team. The score are 190 for the winning team and 130 for the losing team. So there's a difference of 60 points. And the winner of Now and Then is the youngsters. Congratulations on winning Now and Then. Here are your prizes. Thank you so much for participating, and thank you everyone on and off the camera. This has been an amazing ride. See you next time to experience the change in the times of now and then.